Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an agent onto your Zendesk account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. Now from the Zendesk website, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed with your email address and your password and you will be logged into your Zendesk account. Once you have been logged in, you will see the add button at the top left corner. Once you hover over to it, you will see the user option. Go ahead and click on it. And now you can enter the name as well as the email address of the agent that you wish to add. After typing in the name and the email address, make sure to choose staff member underneath user type. Now click on the drop down menu and then choose agent. You can finally click on the add button and now your agent has been added onto your Zendesk organization. You can now assign a new ticket to this agent right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an agent onto your Zendesk account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.